all been there. Coalition meetings that run over time. People are distracted or disengaged, and you leave feeling unsure about what to do next and who's doing what. Being a coalition member can be rewarding and transformative, but all too often, coalitions that start out with lots of enthusiasm can quickly begin to break down. The group doesn't have a clear shared vision, interdependent leadership, or a clear action plan. Not to worry. As a coalition facilitator, you have the power to keep your group on track. So, how do you lead a group of people from different organizations from talk to action? One of the most important tactics is to establish and review coalition norms up front. I know, you're thinking, really? We're all professional adults here. Yet, people are still late, meetings go off topic, and tasks go undone. So, we need to start with a good foundation. Collectively, decide how you want to work together, what ground rules are important, and make them your established norms. Then review them at every meeting. Some of my favorites are start and end on time, stick to an agenda, be present and know your role. Basic etiquette also applies, like avoiding cell phone use, multitasking, and side conversations. Designated roles should be assigned before the meeting and announced at the beginning. Roles such as facilitator, timekeeper, note taker, and action item tracker. Okay, we've covered the basics. But how do we make sure things actually get done? Have you ever facilitated a meeting and no one volunteered to take on tasks? So you ended up agreeing to do most of the work yourself? Don't be a hero. Delegate. Call upon group members and ask them directly to take on a task. Try to select people you already have spoken to beforehand, or people you know have skills or connections related to the task. Remember, this is a team effort. If coalition members aren't doing what they said they'd do, then what's the point of having a coalition? Progress will be delayed, or even worse, nothing will be accomplished at all. Facilitators, try this. When asking for volunteers, have them confirm what date they'll complete it by, who wants to do what by when. And if they seem unsure, negotiate a more realistic date that works to keep your team's goals on track. If they still don't complete the task they said they would, consider it an opportunity to refer to the group's greater goals and show how this delayed task affects the team's overall success. From there, you can work with the individual to negotiate a more realistic due date that they can commit to with confidence. You can also ask others in the group to help them complete the task. Use the buddy system. As a meeting is coming to a close, it's important to refer back to the agenda. Did you meet all of your objectives? Does everyone understand the actions they need to take after the meeting? Always update your action items. Show how your accomplishments relate to the larger timeline. Make sure to announce the date and time of the next meeting and ask everyone for input on the next agenda. Everyone has a stake in the effort. Don't forget to celebrate your accomplishments. You've all worked hard together on a common goal, and that's worth recognition. And now, it's time to congratulate yourself. You've led a successful coalition meeting that was effective and efficient. You're one step closer to meeting your coalition's goals. As a reminder, our top tips for running an effective coalition meeting are: establish norms and stick to them. Clarify roles for each meeting. Don't be a hero, delegate tasks. Hold yourselves accountable to coalition goals. Always leave in action, and remember to celebrate progress.